Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 2 of a 16-week challenge hosted by Rachel of Sweet Bee Paper Co. And we're making different types of ephemera each week. And last week we did note cards. And this week we're going to be stamping. And just words like you use on your project, sort of like your Tim Holtz words or anything that you add to your collages or cards or whatever you're making. And I get to try out my new little locking stamps. I'm excited about that. I just got these this week, and I have a variety of different types of letter stamps and word stamps that I've collected over the years, and I've got lots of scraps of paper. I think I have a hoarding issue, but this is just a minuscule of what I have to start off with. So I'm going to fill up my little box that's got words, because I have my little ephemera case with all different types of boxes, and I'm excited about doing this, and I hope you enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Rachel's channel, and be sure and check out hashtag summerfunephemera. I'll have it listed in my title and in my description box. And I have to apologize, I realized I misspelled ephemera last time, so I don't know where it took you, but I did correct that. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I've done lots and lots and lots of words, and I embossed some, which I love. This one I did in gold. It's hard to see it, but I think it looks very cool. And I used some of my small stamps with my letters. Here's another one that I embossed. And I love just the little ones. I got these stamps at Michael's the other day, and I love them. And they actually came with 2 letters on most of the letters. Of course, you don't need 2 X's and you don't need 2 Z's most of the time. But your main letters that you use more than once in a word, they've got. And I'm just excited. And I've used some of my other little sayings that I had stamps for. And this was really a lot of fun. The video is going to be very, very short, but it took me a good half a day to do this. But it was a fun thing to do. Just to sit down and play. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Sweet Bee Paper Co. And tell Rachel where you came from, because she is an amazing collager, and I love these ephemera challenges that she's going to be doing for 16 weeks. This is week 2. So be sure and check her out, and be sure and check out all the other people participating. So until next time, bye y'all.